back to another episode of Daddy-Daughter Time Cooking.
I'm Daughter.
And I'm Daddy. And Daughter, today, I have an idea.
What's that idea?
We are going to do something never before done in the history of culinary arts.
Okay.
We are going to combine two flavors together that will blow your mind. We're going to combine chocolate and peanut butter.
That already exists, Daddy.
No, you don't understand. We're talking about your peanut butter is in my chocolate, and your chocolate is in my peanut butter kind of flavor.
That's called a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, Daddy.
No. Okay, you're so not getting this. This is way too advanced for you. What we're going to do today is we are going to make peanut butter chip chocolate cookies. Nice. Here are today's ingredients for today's peanut butter chip and chocolate cookies. 1 cup of shortening. 1.5 cup of white sugar. 2 eggs. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2/3 a cup of cocoa powder. 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. And 1.5 cups of peanut butter chips. So Daughter, now it's time to start making this incredible concoction that never before in the history of the world has been done. Are you ready, Daughter?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, Daughter. If you would, please place the shortening into the mixer. Next up, please place the eggs into the mixer. The vanilla into the mixer. And Daughter, finally, the sugar into the mixer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the blender on and we're going to beat these ingredients. Boom, 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 boom.
Not like that.
Not like that, until light and fluffy. Daughter, now that we beat the wet ingredients until they're fluffy, we are going to add our dry ingredients to the recipe. Are you ready?
Yep.
Then if you would, please place the flour into the mixer.
There you go.
Thank you. If you would, the cocoa powder into the mixer.
There we go.
Next up, the baking soda.
Alrighty. It's in there.
And last, the sugar.
There you go.
So now we're just going to go ahead, turn the blender back on, and we're going to get these ingredients well mixed into the light and fluffy first batch of ingredients. Daughter, we've come to the last part of the ingredients for this wonderful thing. I got a question though. Did I just say add sugar a second time instead of adding the salt?
Yeah.
You see, Daughter, my bad. Right now, my brain is in overdrive thinking of this never before had flavor combination. So my apologies. One day you'll understand when you get to be as great as I am. So if you would now, add the final ingredient, the peanut butter chips.
Alrighty. There we go.
Wonderful. Now we're going to mix these all together.
Alrighty, everybody. Now we're going to take our peanut butter and chocolate mixture and put it on the cookie sheet. We want to make sure they're about a teaspoon size balls. And repeat 12 more times.
Now that we've placed the cookies on the cookie sheet, we're going to put them into a preheated 350-degree oven, and they're going to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. See you real soon. It's been about 9 minutes, and we're going to check to see if the cookies are through, finished, done. Wait, are people done? Cookies are, I don't know, I don't care. Let's check. Ho ho! Whatever they are, they're ready to go in my belly. Well, Daughter, we've done it. We have done something, created something a flavor, a taste never before imagined in the world of the culinary arts. We've infused chocolate with peanut butter.
What are you going to call it, Daddy?
What are we going to call this? These?
Yeah.
These will be known from this day on. It's cookies a la Dada. But before we can try these, daughter, and there's no point really in trying because we know how incredible these are going to be. We should probably call in our taste tester, huh? Well, let's call him in. Taste tester!
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, taste tester / son. How are you?
Good.
Are you ready to perform your job?
Yes.
Now, I just want to warn you, son, taste tester, you're about to have something that no one's ever had before, ever. Chocolate and peanut butter together. Mind. Are you ready to do your job?
Definitely.
Well then, if you would, please taste. They're okay?
That's good.
That's
Very,
good?
very good.
Well then, daughter, here, pick your own. I mean, they're all going to be yummy.
I like this one.
You want that one? Okay, I'm going to have this one.
Okay.
Let's try.
Mmm.
I'm telling you, I don't know why no one ever came up with this before. Well, until next time, everybody, don't forget to like, subscribe, have fun with your family, do up a little recipe, and remember, daughter,
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
bye everybody.